Hi, this is Chef Azalee. I'm going to be cooking for you again today. Also, I'd like to mention I still have all my rings and my fake fingernails. Okay, we have pork steaks here, very nice, and beef steaks here. Well, I got some flour here. This is red pepper. I hope there's no wimps that's going to eat any of this. I'm going to put a little bit in the flour. I guess that's enough. And black pepper. Now, I'm going to stir this up a little bit. And I've got salt here, but I'm going to put the salt on each one of them individually. Whoops. Oops, kind of splash of flour there. Neil's giving me that. I hope he's the producer. Wants to make sure I do everything right. Okay, now I've got the pork steaks in there, and they're cooking very nicely. Mainly because they're in a cast iron skillet. I don't know if the younger housewives use cast iron skillets and other things, that grills, cast iron grills, but they are really, really nice. Now, when these get just a little bit browner, I'm going to put them over here, and then I'm going to cook my beef steaks. Okay, now I've got my beef, beef steaks I'm going to put in there. I'll put them in the dip and in the flour, and I'm going to put them in the skillet. Okay, I got to do one more in there. Oh, that's a big one. Okay. I gotta make room in here for this little booger. Oh, there we are. I'm just waiting for those to brown, and then I'm going to put these in there. And while I'm waiting, I wish I could dance. They say the music is playing, but I can't hear the beat. You want to be on the video? Come here, Jackson. Jackson. Come here, Rosie. Come here, Rosie. Rosie. Rosie, you want to be on the video? Come here. Oh, get up. These are my two little puppies. I just love them to death. Dexter, Rosie. Okay, I'm fixing to make the gravy. I've taken some of the oil from the skillet that I cooked the steaks in, and I've added some flour. I didn't measure either one of them, so I'm just going to have to just see if I need any more flour or not. Okay. I think it's going to be fine. Yeah. I'll just let that cook a little while. I'll put just a wee bit more flour in there, not much. When this gets brown, I'm going to add some milk and probably a little bit more salt. Okay. Have I got that on? Yeah, I got it on medium. Okay. Okay. I've got this where it's kind of a cream color, not brown, but not exactly white. And now I'm going to add some milk. I'm just going to play it by ear. Now let's see how that's going to make it. Let's see, what if I got that on? Yeah. Whoops, I need that a little higher. Okay. I may have to add some more milk, I don't know. Let's see. If Neil had a whisk, you could use a whisk on this. Jenny found me a whisk. Okay, I'm going to have to taste this. Let me see how thick that's getting first. And now I need a little bit more milk. I don't know. Yep. Turn that down a little bit. Now I need some more salt. Woo! Black pepper! Oh, I thought I was getting the black pepper. Oh, Lord. Too bad, those shrimps. Ugh, I feel sorry for them.
Anna, get over a little closer. Say something. Say something.
I am
No. Talk about the food. Talk about the food.
Point it to the food.
Talk. Talk about the food.
Touch it.
Talk about this.
Oh, no. Okay. We've got pork steaks here and beef steaks there, creamy mashed potatoes, creamy white gravy, and Jan has made a delicious tomato and okra and cheese dip and a little bit of corn. Very, very good.